Stop That Trade with Phil and Alan. Phil is a Fox Business Network News contributor, and Alan Nuckman is the chief market strategist at BullseyeOption.com. Here for our trader game, round number 1. Tremendous trades. We have seen some big bets on the market, especially ahead of the election. Are you a big market better?
Elon Musk invested $130 million in the Trump train, and his company rallied $50 billion. So that worked out. We had Warren Buffett, make a ton of money on Apple and then put it into short-term treasuries, make a ton of money on that too. So there's a lot out there, but I want to talk about some of the plays that we've done here recently is some of these crypto plays, and the trend did not end. We saw crypto take off, and here in the last week, there's been very, very profitable, and it's a message to trade anything, anytime, any direction, trade what you see.
Yeah, I think one of the trades we've been talking about has been crypto. And I think with Elon Musk, being part of the White House is part of that. But what it really is that we were seeing people nervous about being in crypto ahead of the election. We knew that the Trump administration was going to be pro-crypto. So what happened, if you're worried about Trump losing and the Harris team getting in, you might have bought gold instead of crypto, right? So we saw gold go to record highs before the election. Now, because Donald Trump is in with Elon Musk on his team, we know we have a pro-crypto. So what we've seen is a flip from the gold back in the crypto. So if you look at the correction in gold, it almost equals the flip side move on the upside on Bitcoin.
That's a lot of thinking. I just trade what I see.
Round 2, parity play. The dollar is up. What's your trade on the dollar holler?
The dollar has been incredible, right? And it shows that there's a belief that the U.S. economy is the strongest in the world. It also shows that the market is less concerned about the dollar being the reserve currency of the world. Over the last few months, people were afraid, oh my goodness, the BRICS are going to get together and create a dollar. And so we saw people buy gold. We heard about a gold-backed currency, perhaps, in the BRICS that pushed gold prices higher. People seem to be less concerned about that, and they want to get back on the king dollar train.
Well, the dollar hasn't really been trading sideways for 2 years. If you really want to look at it, between 100 and 105, we're at the top end of that range right now. So if the dollar can decline as we start to lower rates, then that's going to be another catalyst for the market on the upside. So I think there's a lot of potential there, and that could put in a bottom in gold. We'll keep an eye on that. We're still in an uptrend in gold, but we came back to that 2,500 level. I don't think it's over yet.
Round 3, dogs of the day. With a booming bull market in gold, crypto, and stocks, what dogs of the Dow can make a comeback?
Yeah, you got to be selective. Risk reward is really askew right now with so many companies at their all-time highs. So you've got to just be patient and selective. Two I like, we're still cannot find a bottom in crude oil or the energy sector. Schlumberger's made a nice bottom base, and I do love Ford. Ford's got a lot of upside as we get into this America First mentality.
I think the other thing you want to look at is Cenovus. It's a Canadian oil company. Right now, there is a boom of U.S. oil production, but it's light oil. And the refiners are getting too much light oil. They need heavier oil. Cenovus is an integrated Canadian company. It pays a good dividend, and it's been disappointing for the last few years. But we think that stock is getting ready to break out and move.
Look for bad to get good again.
We are trotting out a bonus round question just for you today. True or false? General Mills just acquired its 5th pet food company.
Yeah, I saw that on the ticker, so that would be a yes. Bow wow.
That would be a yes, and I'm sure that Alan probably buys some of their products.
I do have a dog. It's not like I don't have a dog.
That's what I said. What do you have?
It's true. General Mills bought Whitebridge for $1.45 billion. You two are winners. Great job. Business First AM will be right back.